What is going on, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I went from a streamer to a seller on Whatnot, and I still stream actually today, even on Twitch. And let's jump over here to my setup for Whatnot. So streaming and selling, and I guess live selling, live social shopping is kind of the same things, like in a sense. So as a streamer, you kind of have to be engaging with your audience, funny, talking a lot, something to talk about, whether the game you're playing or just chatting or anything like that. But streaming and like social live shopping like Whatnot is kind of the same thing in a sense, and it kind of improves it because now you have a product or something, not only more to talk about, to also sell. So how you I'm gonna go over kind of like how my setup is and everything here. As you can see here, I have all my cards. I usually sell just Pokemon cards. I try to stick to one. For those of you out there, you don't have to just stick to that. You can do multiple different things. For me, Pokemon cards were just an abundance I had. And as you can see here, I already have my setup right here for each of my cards sold. Like if I sell 1, 2, 3, so forth, I already have them set up ready to go into a top loader, and that way I can distinguish which one goes out to who afterwards when I'm printing out my labels. And I've done other videos like that if you want to see them and how to set up all that up. Now, in this particular video, like I said, I've always been a streamer. I still do stream on Twitch and YouTube. You can check that out. I have links in the description below. I do like to set up also any graded cards, and if you, those of you out there, if you have any cards in your personal collection, it's always cool to kind of set those out as well. And or of course, if you plan on selling them, have them ready to go on the stream. I do like this particular one here. I am okay with possibly selling it. I do have my envelopes also ready to go. There are links in the description below for these guys if you want these for supplies. I live by them. They work great, especially the standard envelopes. In this next portion right here, guys, I'm going to show you what I made on my first ever Whatnot stream. This was right here. It was an hour and 43, might as well say almost 2-hour stream. I had 9 total orders, and I made $55 on my first ever Whatnot stream. Now, I didn't have any plan either. This was just like me straight out the gate. I had no plan. I just went live and started showing cards, and I even had the setup terrible. Like, I was literally like, what even card goes to what? I was literally marking on a piece of paper and a sticky note, like what goes to what. I was doing it really the backwards hard way, and still made $55 my first stream and made it work. And we're going to kind of go over some points and stuff here as you're getting into Whatnot. Make sure you have plenty of inventory of whatever you're selling. For me, obviously, it was cards. For you, it may be shoes, clothes, anything like that. Make sure you kind of have that, and, you know, to be profitable, right? Because to be profitable and really start making money on anything that you're selling, whatever you're selling on Whatnot, or any live shopping for that matter, it could be TikTok live shop. Make sure you have the product in hand, or at least a product in some shape or form. Again, for me, it was trading cards. It's a lot easier to ship those. It was easier to have those for me, but for you, it could be anything else. And another thing, start thing at $1. If you have a good enough audience, you have enough people in your streams that come, make sure you're starting everything at kind of like $1, because that's going to ultimately get people bidding the fastest, and it's going to grow your following and your kind of authority on Whatnot way quicker. And this is going to work out in the long run 10 times better. Even like a card like this that I have graded, I literally started this out at $1, and I think I sold it for like 30, 40 bucks. So stuff like that can really kind of jump you. You can still make a good profit off of it, even if you started at $1. I know some people are worried that it might stay at $1, no one else bids or something like that. Typically 9 times out of 10, even with 0 following, you're going to get people to bid on it, especially you know, if you started at $1. And even then, even if you do sell it for lower than what you wanted, you're still building that kind of customer loyalty where they're coming back because, hey, you sold that, you sent it to them and all that. And of course, go live more than once. It's going to take more tries. And you can see here, I'm kind of showing you how to set up a show as well. Make sure you, of course, have your Whatnot account. Make sure you set up your show for what time. I like to add a little thumbnail too. I usually get one from like Google, you know, search and kind of add one on there just to kind of add a little bit more flair to it. But that, guys, is what I made on my first Whatnot stream. That's how I went from being a streamer to now a Whatnot streamer, and I still do both. This is kind of me shipping my cards at the end. But that, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. And I hope you stick around for the ending of the video. I have something else to show you real quick. Thanks for watching. Here, guys, if you're wondering how to start selling, you don't have a Whatnot account, please feel free to use my seller account here. I haven't. All you have to do is go to the description of my videos, as you can see here, of how I sell trading cards on Whatnot. Click on the link right here of Whatnot invite seller, and it will bring you to a screen like this, and then you can just click start selling. go ahead and start selling, guys, on Whatnot. Hope you enjoy the video. Remember to like and subscribe.